Welcome to CNC Tech Engineers. We are conducting CNC and VMC operation and programming courses in Mumbai. We are also conducting AutoCAD and Mastercam courses. The institute is managed by its director, Mr. Bharat Dayaramani. We have experienced industry professionals as our faculty. We provide free placement across Mumbai, Bhiwandi, and Vasai. We are having 2 CNC and a VMC machine, so all the courses are conducted with practical training on actual machines. We are affiliated to ITES Government of Maharashtra. We are having ISO 9001 certification. We are registered with MSME Government of India.